Hi guys, same life, ibang clips, let's go! So for today's video, this is not a typical story time na talagang napaka-jolly ko. So hindi rin po ako yung tipong tao talagang nag-share ng personal life, but ewan ko anong nag-urge sa akin to post this and to shoot this video. So earlier, nanood kami ng mommy ko ng movie Heavens for Real. Second time ko na siya napanood. The first time na napanood ko siya is when I'm having a severe pneumonia, both lungs. And then, after watching that, minove talaga ako ng movie na yun. That's year 2021. And God healed me by His power and His glory. And namuhay ako ng normal. And throughout the years na nagdaan, may mga challenges pa rin up until this year 2025 na medyo may kabigatan ng challenges na dinadaanan ko. Dahil lang sa aking mga mistakes, mga wrong decisions, and mga ibang challenges na hindi naka-mention. So, ayun. So, na-move ako sa isang linya sa movie. And ang sabi doon, God crushed my pride. He opened my heart to love, and all I have to do, the one thing this love requires, is that I let others know they're not alone. And after marinig ko yung script na yun, naiyak ako. Hindi na pala ako sa mga love story na iiyak. And ano pa, same sila ng devotion book. Sabi dito, never discount the power of small talk and a present full of love. It's like a yeast that expands the kingdom of God. So even a small talk can move others. In the past few weeks, guys, my closest friend ko, alam nila na pati spiritual faith ko minsan bumababa na. I've been asking, nagkaka-inspire ako ng ibang tao na mas papalapit kay Lord. Pero ako mismo, challenge personally na bumababa yung spiritual faith ko. Pero ngayon, God made me realize, binalikan namin lahat ng moments sa life ko during my devotion time. At kahit may mahirap na part, nandun pala siya palagi. So naiyak ako kasi alam ko malalagpasan din pala natin. This is to tell you guys na you're not alone. God is with us. Mahirap man, wag natin siyang questioning. We have a better plans. And dadating yung araw, mapapasabi na lang tayo na yes, totoo yung verse. The Lord will make it happen. Yun lang. God bless.